Welcome to Learn English with Story and Conversation. Today's topic is conversation between Sarah and Joey.
Hi there, my name is Sarah. It's really nice to meet you.
Hey, Sarah. I'm Joey. It's great to meet you too. How's your day going so far?
Pretty good, thanks. Just trying to get through a busy workday. What about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. It's been a productive day so far. By the way, what do you do for work?
I'm a software developer. I mainly focus on building web applications, particularly working on the front-end side of things. What about you? What do you do for a living?
That sounds really interesting. I'm a graphic designer. I work on creating visual identities for businesses and designing websites. It's a mix of creativity and problem-solving that I really enjoy.
That sounds like such a cool job. I imagine it must be really satisfying to see your designs come to life and know they're helping a brand stand out.
It definitely is. There's something really rewarding about seeing a finished product that resonates with people. And with your work in software development, it must be satisfying to see the functionality and design come together in a seamless user experience.
Absolutely. There's a lot of problem solving involved. And it's always a great feeling when everything clicks into place and the application works smoothly. So, how long have you been in graphic design?
I've been working as a graphic designer for about 5 years now. It's something I've always been passionate about, even before I made it my career. How long have you been in the software development field?
I've been a software developer for around 3 years. I actually started out in a different field but found my way into tech, and I'm really glad I did.
That's awesome. It's always interesting to hear about people's journeys into their careers. What do you enjoy doing in your free time when you're not busy coding?
In my free time, I really enjoy reading. I'm a bit of a bookworm, especially when it comes to fiction. I also love to cook. It's my way of unwinding after a long day. What about you? What do you like to do when you're not designing?
Hiking and photography are my go-to activities. I love getting out into nature and capturing the beauty of landscapes. There's something really peaceful about being outdoors and then being able to take that experience home through photographs.
That sounds amazing. You must have some incredible photos from your hikes. I'd love to see them sometime.
Thanks. I'd be happy to share them with you. And I'd definitely be interested in trying some of your cooking too. What's your favorite dish to make?
I'm really into making different types of pasta dishes. There's something comforting about a good plate of pasta. And I enjoy experimenting with different sauces and ingredients. What about you? Do you ever cook?
Zia. I wouldn't say I'm a master chef or anything, but I like to cook when I have the time. My go-to dish is spaghetti carbonara. It's simple but delicious. We should definitely have a cooking and photo sharing session one day.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'm always up for sharing good food and enjoying some beautiful photography. I'm really glad we had this chance to get to know each other better.
Me too, Sarah. It's been great chatting with you, and I'm looking forward to more conversations like this.
Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.